Hi there. Okay, 2019, the first video. This is not, by the way, the first video I was gonna do this year. I was gonna film it this weekend. I'm recording this on Friday. Literally, I'm not even kidding, half an hour before I have to go to work, so I might not have enough time, but I will literally show you everything I can. I had another video planned, which apparently I can skip through for next week. Also, a little bit of a quick update before you see this. This will be unboxed like in a few seconds. I will not be posting every week if it's possible. If I find something interesting to do, I will make a video out of it. But if I don't, I just don't. You know, I just try to make something cool, like for entertainment reasons. But if I don't find anything to do, or make a video out of it, which can help or something, I would not do it. So this year is just about quality instead of quantity. And I'm saying this right? Yeah. Anyway, new mascot. I call him Sasha. I know, it's a female male name. You can actually call it either way. He's confused, I'm confused. I'm wearing... this is just by chance, by the way. Because the Roses t-shirt, which is mildly oversized, which I fucking love. I don't know why, I love oversized t-shirts. This is by accident, because this box has something related to sort of this look I'm going with. Complete by coincidence! I'm unboxing this. I'm not showing the bag which it came in because it's like a big bag where you put your address and stuff like that, so not gonna show you that. I'm just gonna unbox this thingy. Okay, oh man, it's heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on my lap. Yeah, this, I actually, when people know me, I kind of had like a lot of alternative phases in my life, being a girl, being this, being that, like a whole bunch of them. So, this is not just I'm going back to my alternative phase, this is just me loving these shoes when I saw them, so it's not like, oh my god, he's going dark again. Hell no. Oh yeah, by the way, the hairdo is temporary. I'm not going all Matt Smith, and the beard is not temporary. This one will stay on my face. Oh, that's a weird way to talk about facial hair. When I saw this, I was like, I saw the price. This is literally from DR Martens' site itself. So, just to sign stuff, because they didn't want to have an intermediary or like AliExpress or stuff like that. I'm not gonna do too much of that because you might get a knockoff, like a bad version. This is literally from themselves, like the DR Martens site themselves. And I saw this, it's like, I need to have this. I need to have this. I saw the design, and you see a bit of the design on the box, you know, it's inspired by Chris Lambert. Fuck me! Chris, well, that's another Dutch video. Chris Lambert, and he's a famous tattoo artist in England. And I saw this and was like, I have to have these. I have no idea why, I just had to have these. I wanted to have DR Martens for the rest of my life, like since I remembered, like my teenage years. It's like, oh, those bits look awesome, like they really look good, and they actually really are qualities. I'm unboxing this. It's big, it's heavy. It's not heavy metal, but it's literally, the weight of it is just really heavy, and it's literally falling out of my lap. I'm unboxing this, and there's a smell coming from them. I mean, a really strong smell, and I think it's the leather. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna open this up for you guys first, and it's wrapped in plastic. Alrighty! It is actually pretty well wrapped, and there's a ball of wibbly wobbly, timey-wimey stuff. Oh boy. Okay, I almost knocked the camera over. I don't know if the camera catched it. I almost hit the camera. My expensive camera is gonna hit my expensive shoes. No, this is not actually that expensive. Sorry, I'm actually responding this, no way. This usually costs, like, if you know DR Martens, you pay $200 at least for them. These cost on the sides 250. I got them for 80 bucks, so 80 euros. So I know how you do the collection back to dollars because it keeps on shifting. But from euros, it's like that. I was like, okay, DR Martens in England, so I had to like do the math because the pound was keep going up and down, and when it was down, it's like, ooh, 80, order. my size ordered. Okay, that was how easy it was, because I was looking at these for quite some time. Should I do it, should I not do it? So I'm just gonna open these. Oh, smell. I don't know if this is the leather, but man, it's a powerful sensation. Oh, this is my wish him. It's like a you can do cosplay with the 10 Doctor Who's, which if you know the Whovian, go watch Doctor Who. Oh man, ooh, I love them already. They look good. Okay, I'm gonna unpack one of them. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm a bit of a cold. I'm sorry. Just a tiny one. Oh my god. Look at them. Look. This is just one, by the way. It's not. They look not the same, but it looks really nice quality. The leather is tough, but it's normal because it has the fair white leather. But you can tell. Oh, and my camera's picking it up. This just the lighting coming from outside is making a glaring effect, but it's covered in like tattoos. Like it's not tattooed on there with a tattoo or the gun, but it's like covered in tattoos, and it is the regular 1460. Am I right? I don't know. I think the regular was 1460. Yeah, 1460. I'm right. Sorry, I need to do a fact check before I do a video. And it's just designed by these like really cool tattoos around there. Like these really nice tattoos. And I have to say, quality-wise, it feels really good quality. I'm impressed. I'm gonna put my shoes on the table because I want to unbox the other one. Because I want to show you the difference of the shoes. There's a difference. Ooh. I love these. I actually do love these. Okay, look at this. Look how gorgeous these shoes are. I'm saying gorgeous way too much. I did it in my vlog from Dublin, so I know that's a new catchphrase. You know, instead of saying weird every video, gorgeous is just a new thing for 2019. But look at it. It doesn't look similar. Look. I can show you. It has different tattoo designs on there, so it's not like it's just copying one shoe after another shoe. It is different, and it has the autograph from Chris Lambert. If you know tattoo autographs, it has it on there, and it is freaking. I should love this. I actually really love this. It looks better. It looks better than the picture. Actually, the quality is immaculate. I cannot even detect. It's airwaves, and it looks durable. It actually looks quality-wise immaculate. It's got the air. Fuck, how you say it? Airwave pockets. Yeah, airwave pockets, and you can. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick them up. It's like maybe here, it's like this. You see this like ring structure underneath. It helps with the shoes breathing because the old Doc Martens from the 90s and stuff like that. You put them on, you get like sweaty feet because it's leather. It doesn't let out anything, you know, just everything that collects down here will stay down there. But this has the airways, which first off is for walking purposes, is incredible. And this is quality, and it literally, it's sturdy. It's normal that it's sturdy because it still has a shape to your feet. And yeah, I'm actually impressed. I actually love these, even more than the pictures. I would say the only tattoo that is the same one on both shoes is the back, but it's the back, so it doesn't matter. Actually, it's okay. Actually, if you look at it in the back, it kind of looks okay. But I love that Chris Lambert has his own name on there, so it's not a copy. So it is the original one, and I actually adore these. Is it worth 85 bucks because I had to pay pounds for shipping, so it's not 85, it's like a little bit more. Sorry, I did the calculation a bit wrong. Don't sue me. But yeah, from what I can tell, I'm just gonna get the inside out a bit, and I'm just gonna feel around here. Oh, it's really good quality. It is like, sorry to say this, it's not one of those classical Doc Martens where you have to put a sole in there, because it's like the old Doc Martens. I don't know if anybody remembers. The sole inside went to somewhere over here, like here. And this one had no sole. It's literally like the bottom of the shoe. And this has a sole all the way. It has these really good quality leather, actual leather boots, quality of it, and it is amazing. It is actually really amazing. I actually love this. I'm in love with my boots. If I could marry this, I would die happy. I actually love these so much. Yeah, this is a kind of not a style change, but it's just, this is me just saying to the world, look, I'm just gonna do my own thing. And there's like a little tag in here. I just want to see what's in the tag. Okay, it's actually a tag with some words on there, which is in French for some reason. Oh no, it's English. Okay. Original design by Chris Lambert, style. Okay. Okay, it's actually not that much. It's actually saying this is traditional, so that's old school, traditional style tattoos. Apparently this thing. So, my apologies for the comment I made earlier, but it's traditional style and it's amazing. Oh, here's my thing. It's North England, but this tattoo stick is inspiration for traditional Western American style. For some reason. Yes, and it's amazing. So, by wrapping up this video, because I don't want to be too long, definitely worth the 85 bucks that I paid, including that shipping cost. It looks sturdy. This will come to me. This is for when I visit London in March, and I'll probably just walk them in. I have to, which is gonna be painful for tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow because I have to go out, get some cigars and stuff like that. And yeah, I actually want to just get out and see what I can do. But I have to walk these shoes in, and yeah, definitely worth the 80 bucks because you can see the quality in here. It's got a traditional lining across, the traditional 1460, like the beautiful yellow lining in there, but you can tell it's quality, and yeah, I'm happy. I am happy. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. Yeah, wrapping up this video. Hope you like this new video, which I didn't. Yeah, I put my shoes on the table. No, I actually love this. This is not the video I actually wanted to start this new season with, but this is just a happy coincidence that I'm wearing a Guns N' Roses shirt while unboxing this kind of coincidence, no, actually coincidence. I didn't think about this, so my apologies for that. Maybe it's just like preparing everything. No, I'm actually not preparing. I had to still set up my campus. The post office is like said I came in today. It's like, oh my god, it's literally planning to come out when I'm at work. It's like no, and unfortunately, yes, fortunately for me, it came out now. So yeah, I actually love this. If I see more videos and you like this video, I'm doing this for fun, I think. I don't know. Hit that like button. Always do this wrong, even in 2019. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Please hit that bell button because you will get updates from my videos. You don't want to miss this awesome content we're doing. And I will be doing more vlog stuff and unboxing stuff this year. Will still be coming up when I have something to unbox and stuff like that. So don't expect every week a video. Maybe the first few weeks will be a video, but after that, when nothing is get posted, I will be working on some stuff or doing some other stuff. It's just when I post something, I want quality over quantity. So don't expect every week a video. So you don't say, I want every week a video of this guy. No, don't expect that. Expect to have quality instead of quantity. Anyway, I'm rambling, and thank you very much. Okay, I will edit it out later. Hit that like button, and hit that like button, subscribe, and all that jazz. And we'll be seeing you, and we'll be going outside in the cold weather of Belgium. So, be seeing you, have a nice day, evening, morning, whatever, and bye. We're done yet? And then try these out. Hello, Daddy, I'm home.